Welcome to the future of finance and innovation, where artificial intelligence, or AI, is not just a buzzword, but a gateway to generating wealth. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of making money with AI. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an entrepreneur, or just curious about the future, this guide will unveil the secrets to leveraging AI for financial success. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing industries, creating new opportunities for income generation. But how can you get a piece of this lucrative pie? Let's explore. Firstly, understanding AI is crucial. AI involves machines performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes problem solving, recognizing patterns, and even creative thinking. Now, onto the main event, how to make money with AI. If you're a developer or have an idea for an AI application, now's the time to shine. Developing AI-driven tools or applications for sectors like healthcare, finance, or education can be highly profitable. Not a developer? No problem. Investing in AI startups is another route. With the right research and strategic investment, backing companies that are at the forefront of AI innovation can yield significant returns. Creatives, listen up. AI is transforming content creation. From writing assistants to generating art, leveraging AI tools can enhance your offerings and attract a wider audience. With AI's growing influence, there's a surge in demand for knowledge and expertise. Offering courses, workshops, or consulting services on AI and its applications can be incredibly lucrative. The AI revolution is here, and it's ripe with opportunities for making money. Whether through developing applications, investing, content creation, or education, the pathways are diverse and promising. Dive into the world of AI, and you might just find your next big opportunity. Remember, the future belongs to those who prepare for it today. Thank you for watching. If you're ready to embark on your AI journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the future of technology and finance. Until next time, keep innovating.